Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a futuristic core light trail effect in Photoshop. Now create neon light trails using the pen tool and stroke path, and also choose bright cane or magenta tones for energy, then duplicate and blur those trails for depth, and also apply motion blur to simulate high speed. Now paint soft glows near trails using a rounded brush and add smoke or dust behind for realism. Use color lookup, select futuristic LED color for grading, and add your text using a bold, concealed font, and apply outer glow to complement the trails.